Welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage, we're going to take a look at this custom Ford Maverick from Hot Wheels. This is part of the Factory Fresh series, number 4 of 10, and this is a really cool car. It's a vintage 70s car. It's got these huge gold wheels. Obviously it says custom, so those are custom wheels. And if we look at the back, it's got some detail. In the front, it's got some detail. And I think we can open this one up and take a closer look at it. So here we have our custom Ford Maverick out of its packaging. And if we take a look at it, right on the side, we can see it's got a really cool blue stripe down the side and some graphics in there. Chrome gold wheels. I didn't realize they were so shiny in the package, but now that we've got it out of the package, it looks really good. It's got some tinted windows, which is very nice, and then open side windows, as a lot of Hot Wheels have, so you can see the interior. It's hard to see through the video, but the interior is pretty normal. It's just got some black seats. They kind of look vintage. We'll try and get a photo of that after. All right, so let's take a look at the front. So we've got these classic 70s fender mount mirrors, which was a thing back in the day, and those look really cool. And front lip, we've got this black grille, which looks really good, and some hood detail at the top. So this is a very clean car. There's not really much going on with graphics, which I really like personally. I think graphics are fine, but not every car needs crazy flames all over it. So this one looks nice. If we take a look at the back, really good detail on the taillights. You see the emblem in the middle, even a little spot for the license plate. So they really did a good job on the back end of this car. And if we spin it around to the front end for a closer look, you can see it's got some good detail on the front as well. So this one looks really good. This is probably one of my new favorites because it's just so simple and it rolls really well. So I'm happy to have this one. If you like this video, make sure you leave us a thumbs up and a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you on the next video.